Londonderry. Police appear to have withdrawn from the scene of climate protests in central London. Parts of the UK will be hotter than southern Spain as Easter temperatures soar. Now, recordings of TV performances by some of the UK's most famous pop stars, which were thought to have been lost forever, have been discovered in Mexico. The footage includes one of the only appearances by the Beatles on Top of the Pops. It'll be shown in public for the first time in decades this weekend. Sky's Caterina Vitozzi was given an exclusive look.
Blink and you'll miss it, but we're about to show you 11 seconds of TV music history. Amazingly, the Beatles only did one live performance on the BBC music show Top of the Pops. There was no known recording until this one, from 1966, was found in Mexico last year.
People just thought pop music would go on forever, you know. There were literally hundreds of appearances of the Beatles or Elton John, so why keep another one? Tapes were £400 each in 1971. Huge amount of money out of your budget.
Chris Parry hunts down lost archive. The Beatles clip is one in a trove of new finds.
Mars ain't the kind of place to raise your kids.
That includes a live Elton John performance,
and there's no one there to raise them,
to one of Sky TV's first ever shows, a music programme called, wait for it, Sky-Fi.
Hi there, Tony Blackburn here, your main funking funketeer, as we sometimes say, with another Sky-Fi music show, and I've got an hour of really great soul music lined up for you as well.
Finding this precious archive footage is the first step. The next is making sure that it is in a format which is viewable. But then, as technology changes in the future, the challenge will be making sure that these precious clips are accessible for years to come.
This week's number 9, T-Rex and Metal Guru.
Because archive footage like this of 1970s T-Rex isn't just a chance to wonder at fabulous hairdos.
Television is pretty good at holding up a mirror to the society of its time. It's a pretty good reflector of what was going on. So it's an almost shortcut to history. It's like a window on the past. Obviously, we've got hundreds of thousands of items in the archive already, but any new stuff that comes back just shows you the past in a slightly different way. It's all useful.
The race is now on to reformat old footage before the machines they play on no longer work. It's a huge task, but the reward is a chance to look back on precious moments in history. Caterina Vitozzi, Sky News.
Now, the Foreign Secretary says he is appalled at the